Stop paying for Midjourney. These 8 tools cost nothing, and some of them are better. Here's the reality. Most creators waste hundreds on AI image tools every month, but here's what nobody tells you. The free tiers in 2026 are actually good, like shockingly good. I tested 8 of them side by side. Real images, real projects, real deadlines. Here's what I found. Number 1, Leonardo AI. This is the volume king. 150 free generations per day. That's not a typo, 150. The quality rivals Midjourney V6 on most prompts, realistic portraits, product shots, concept art, all without paying a cent. The catch, you need to use their coins wisely. Some models cost more than others, but for daily use, it's the best free option available. I tested Leonardo with complex prompts, multi-subject scenes, detailed backgrounds, consistent character generation. Leonardo handled everything. The community models are particularly impressive. Users share their best configurations. You can remix and build on each other's work. For volume and quality combined, Leonardo is the clear winner. Number 2, Google Gemini. 20 free image generations per day. The integration with Google's ecosystem is seamless. Generate an image in Gemini, drop it straight into docs or slides. The photorealistic output is impressive. The stylized work is hit or miss, but 20 per day is enough for most projects. What impressed me most was the consistency. Generate the same character across multiple images. Gemini maintains facial features, clothing style, even pose consistency. That's something most free tools struggle with. For presentations and documents, Gemini's integration makes it the most convenient option. Number 3, Adobe Firefly. 25 generations per month, fewer than the others, but there's a reason it matters. Firefly is trained only on licensed content. That means commercial use is safe. No copyright concerns, no legal gray areas for client work, for products, for anything that needs to be legally defensible. The quality is excellent, especially for commercial photography, product mockups, lifestyle shots. The style matching feature is unique. Upload a reference image. Firefly generates new images in the same style. Brand consistency becomes effortless. For professional work, Firefly's legal safety is worth more than unlimited generations. Number 4, Ideogram. 10 free generations per day, and the text accuracy is unmatched. Generate a poster with actual readable text. Create a logo with precise lettering. Design a sign with perfect typography. No other free tool comes close. For graphic design work specifically, Ideogram fills a gap that Midjourney still struggles with. I tested it with complex text layouts, multi-line headlines, small print, various fonts. Ideogram nailed every time. The design templates are surprisingly good too. Social media posts, business cards, flyers. Start with a template, customize the text, export. The whole workflow takes minutes. Number 5, Microsoft Designer. 15 free generations per day. It's built into Windows, built into Edge, built into the Microsoft ecosystem. The DALL-E powered output is solid, not groundbreaking, but solid. The real value is accessibility. You're already using Microsoft tools. Designer is right there. Number 6, Canva AI. 50 free generations per month. That's the highest monthly cap among these tools. The integration with Canva's design platform is the real advantage. Generate an image, drop it into a template, add text, add effects, export. The whole workflow happens in one place, for social media content, for presentations, for quick marketing materials. Number 7, Stable Diffusion. This one's different. Run it locally. Unlimited generations. Zero cost, zero data collection. The quality depends on your hardware and your prompting skills. With the right models and settings, it matches or exceeds every cloud-based tool on this list. The barrier is setup. You need a decent GPU. You need to install the software. Number 8, ChatGPT. Limited generations on the free tier, but the quality is exceptional. DALL-E 3 integration means accurate prompt following, complex compositions, detailed scenes. The limitation is volume. You can't produce at scale, but for one-off hero images, for concept validation, for quick iterations, it's worth the ration generations. Added up, Leonardo gives you 4,500 generations per month. Gemini gives you 600. Firefly 25, Ideogram 300, MS Designer 450, Canva 50, Stable Diffusion Unlimited. That's over 5,000 free generations per month before you even touch Stable Diffusion. Midjourney gives you about $200 for $10. The math doesn't lie. Here's the strategy. Leonardo for volume, daily use, high quality across the board. Gemini for quick Google ecosystem integration. Firefly for commercial work, legal safety first. Ideogram for text-heavy designs, posters, logos, signs. MS Designer for casual use. You're already in Microsoft. Canva for social media workflows. Stable Diffusion for unlimited power. The image generation revolution isn't coming. It's here, and it's free. Stop paying for what you can get without spending a dime. Start creating today. Every tool I mentioned is linked in the description. Try them all, find your favorites, build your own stack. Follow for more breakdowns of tools the industry doesn't want you to know about.